What's going on? The Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. More tech, more reviews, and there's a lot of stuff out on this table. But what if I were to tell you that I could take every last one of these and fit it right in here? This is my Alpaca tech bag, and today we're gonna be talking about my everyday carry. So let's go. All right, so this is the Alpaca tech bag. Now, I had one of these bags before and it was actually black. Did a review on it, but I saw this orange one and with orange being my favorite color, this was the one that I really had to have. So I've already talked about this bag a little bit, but I keep getting questions about what do I carry on a daily basis. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 9 different pouches. So this thing is very modular. It actually has weatherproof zippers, waterproof zippers. You're not gonna get anything wet on the inside. It has a waterproof material on the outside of it, and it actually comes with a strap that you can put around your shoulder, put this on your bag, put it in your front, however you wanna carry this. So without further ado, let's talk about what I actually take on a daily basis out of the house in this bag. First and foremost, you gotta have a phone. And if I'm not rocking my S22 Ultra, this is the one that I got in my pocket. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And the case on here is the Peak Design Everyday Case. Works with pretty much all of my magnetic and MagSafe devices. So yeah, take this on the go and you got charging on the go. Now, this other one is a 10,000 milliamp hour battery from the company E.D.C. I normally take this one with me and I'll show you in just a little bit. I already told you that we can charge the iPhone with it through MagSafe. We'll pop that in. So what we're gonna do is just gonna take that and we normally drop this right down in the front. So I always drop it down with the back facing out. This being the front, back facing this way. So just in case I hit something, doesn't damage the phone, it hits the case itself. Very hard case, weatherproof case on that, no issues. Now, when you go to open this up, one of the other things that I always like to have with me is a portable SSD. Now I use this with my iPad mini, which I have sitting right here, but this comes in handy, very small, very compact. This is a 1 terabyte from Sandisk. This is the Extreme Pro. And basically, you're just gonna drop it down in there. And in order to use that, we gotta use the USB type C to C cable that actually comes with it. So we're just gonna drop that down in there as well. And on the go, since I got my iPhone as well as my iPad, I like to take a pair of AirPods. So these are AirPods Pro. I like to keep them in this case. This case is actually from Supcase. This is probably one of the most rugged cases that I have, and it actually doesn't give you a whole lot of bulk. Comes with this nice clip, and I just drop it down in here somewhere. Boom, hangs out. Let's just let it hang out right here in the middle, should I say. Hangs out right there in the middle, no issues. And then this one right here. Now I really like this device because it's a 3-in-1 charger. It's gonna basically charge your Apple Watch. It's gonna charge magnetically or MagSafe, and it's gonna charge over here as well. So 3 devices can charge all at one time. And the reason that I bring the cable and this is my battery. I plug this in, plug that in, lay my devices on there, and I'm good to go. I can charge up to 3 devices all at once. This is from Zeera Wireless. This is the MegFold 3-in-1. And there you go. It goes right down in the bag as well. We're just gonna drop it in the middle portion. And we're gonna go ahead and take this MagSafe battery as well. Pop that right there, and the cable, why not, right there in the middle. Got all that to go. Now the Apple Watch is not gonna be in the bag. It's normally gonna be on my arm, but we do have charging for the Apple Watch as well as the AirPods. So we just showed you the 3-in-1, but just in case you want to charge with your iPad, these will actually plug into your iPad. These are actually from the company Satechi, and this is a AirPod charger over here, Apple Watch charger over here. So basically all you're gonna do is take this out of the Zugu case that I always have on my device. Boom, just like so. We're gonna plug this in, and then you'll put your Apple Watch right around there and it will charge off of that device. Same thing with the AirPods, plug that in, it's gonna charge right off the device. So I'll drop links below so you can check these out, but they really come in handy and they don't take up a whole lot of space. Now, speaking of cases, this is the case of choice. This is the Zugu case, and I like to use this with my iPad mini just because it's one of the best cases out there for this device. Very versatile, magnetic, gives you a bunch of different standing angles. Everything matches up, there are no issues, and it's gonna protect that device with a minimalistic footprint. But the reason we left it out of that case was because of this. This is basically one of the most versatile stands that you'll see. And if there's not a review on it already on this channel, there will be one very shortly. But this is a stand from the company Moft. Very minimalistic, and as you can see, it actually fits in the palm of my hand, and it's smaller than the iPad mini. Super magnetic. It does come with this adhesive stick, so you put this on the back of your iPad, you let this out, just like so, and once you get it out and up, your iPad sticks to it. So you get tons of different standing angles. You can bring this all the way down, and you can actually stand it up in a portrait mode, and you can close it up and take it with you wherever you go. But very, very convenient, comes in handy, and I like it a lot. So in the bag, we're just gonna put the iPad back in there, make sure it's all the way in, stand this bag back up, put the pencil back in like so. We're gonna drop that iPad down in there. We're gonna drop that stand down in there. We're gonna give it a wiggle wiggle. And then we are going to drop these in the back, close it up, zip it up, and you are ready to go. Throw this on your back with the strap, put it on your front, and you're ready. There are no issues. And this whole packaging, let's go ahead and just weigh it, because it probably weighs about 5 or 6 pounds. It's kind of heavy. Bag of sugar weight. I was wrong. We got 4 pounds. So 4 pounds and about 5 ounces or so. So no issue. You're carrying around 4 pounds. You carry that in a book bag, put that on you, you're good to go. And you can even carry your iPad Pro in your hand, whatever you have. So everything that I had on the table will actually fit in there. This is from the company Alpaca. I'll drop links below to everything I was able to put in there for my everyday carry. But until next time, hopefully this has been able to help someone out. This is my iPad mini everyday carry 2022. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.